Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the free plan in Spline. If you're just getting started with three-dimensional design and don't want to pay for a subscription yet, yeah, the free version gives you enough tools to learn, create projects, and publish interactive designs. First, go to Spline and create a free account using your email or Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access the editor directly from your browser. Next, create a new project and open the editor. The free plan includes access to the main design tools, so you can build scenes, add objects, and create animations without installing anything. Now explore Spline templates and built-in design features. Templates can help you learn faster and understand how professional three-dimensional scenes are structured. Once your project is ready, you can publish it online and share it with others. Yeah, the free plan allows web exports, although exported projects may include a watermark. The free version also has some restrictions. Features like advanced exports, extra project limits, and certain collaboration tools are available only on paid plans. If you're learning three-dimensional web design, the free plan is usually enough to practice and build small projects before deciding whether you need a paid subscription. And that's basically it. You now know how to use the Spline Free Plan in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you get started without spending money right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.